What's up, Rozae Fam? I'm happy you're here again. Hello, new friends. Please watch till the end. Don't forget to subscribe. You know the vibes. Gonna take you on a ride. You see the joy in my eyes. Let's have some fun, alright. Oh my gosh. What's up, Rozae Fam, and hi to my new friends. My name is Rozae Fam, and on this channel we do everything. We sing, we dance, we showcase our sense of style. And today we are gonna have a Fashion Nova try on haul. I got 3 jeans and a sweatsuit. So if you ready and you like some of this content, come on, let's get it. So we are gonna start off with the black jeans. Okay. So these are the black jeans. I got them in a size 7, but they look and feel amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Wow. Show you guys the back right here. And yeah. Funny thing is, my jacket that I have on, but it actually matches the pants, so that's cool. But I like it. It has the buttons. It's like high waist, but not too high waist, so I like these. Yes. So now I'm gonna show you guys another view of the pants, because I feel like y'all need to see the sides. Y'all need to see everything, you know? So I'm gonna show y'all right now, and here they are. I love these pants. I love how they're fitting. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's not skin tight, which I like. Compared to the jeans, these old Fashion Nova jeans that I just had on, these ones right here are very, very comfortable. You have room, but not a whole bunch of room. Like, it's good enough room, which I like. And it looks nice. Like, got my little outfit going on. Like, the jacket and the pants matching, okay. Now we are gonna try these ones. So let me open them for y'all. All my jeans that I got is a size 7, so nothing is uneven or anything. But yes. Ooh, these look like they're gonna nice. Wow, I like the blue. Ooh. Let's try it on, y'all. So I got the jeans on and they are cute. I love the color. I like the stitching as well. These are cute. I like these. Yes. Okay, let's see the back. Okay. Cute. Yes. All right, now these are cute too. So far, which one is your pair of jeans? Is it the black, the blue? We have more coming, but so far, which one is your favorite? I think my favorite would be the black. For some reason, I really love the way the black was looking at me. Like, looking at me. I mean, looking on me. Looking on me, but yeah. So, let's get into other jeans. Okay, so we're on our final pair of jeans. And I'm gonna open it for y'all. Ooh, yes, hold on, wait. Oh, all like papers and stuff just fell for the pants and stuff, but these are cute. Oh yes. Ooh, okay. Okay. These jeans. Okay, so the fact that these jeans look popping right now, and when before I got them and I saw them in Fashion Nova, I was like, I need to get these jeans because I just love the pattern. These are just so cute. I'm gonna show y'all the back. But I love the pattern. Like, look at look. Like, I like this. This is like, it reminds me like a color block kind of thing, you know? Oh, this is so cute. Yes, I'm gonna wear some bomb shoes with them. Y'all already know we gonna look fly. I'm gonna show y'all an even better view of the pants so y'all can see. Yes, they go down to like around my ankles, which I don't mind because I don't like jeans that go over sometimes, so I don't mind. These are nice. I'll be wearing shoes with it, my black boots. Yes, I love this. Ooh, I can't wait to rock this. These are so cute. Again, size 7. Okay, so these were the last jeans. So out of all the 3 jeans, which one is y'all favorite? Comment down below. Let me know, because I think these are my #1 favorite, and then the black ones is like my 2nd favorite. I know y'all like black, but I don't know why, but I love them. They're so comfortable. They're not skin tight, which I like, and Fashion Nova is just doing their thing, so thank you, Fashion Nova. Now is the final thing we're gonna try on, and that is the sweatsuit. Well, I should say pantsuit, because that's what it's really called, but I call it sweatsuit, but never mind that. We're about to try it, so let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. Oh my gosh, I am loving this. I never had anything like this before, so I'm in the moment. But oh my gosh, this is so cute. Let's just show you guys the back. Like, I'm gonna give y'all another view so y'all can see everything about this beautiful pant set, okay? This is so cute. I love the pockets. I love the material. Oh my gosh, it's not fitting too tight, but it's fitting just right. Like, oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see the back again so y'all can see it. Everything like this. I want to show y'all also that you can wear it like this. I'm gonna insert a picture so you can see. You can wear it off the shoulder, or you can wear it like this. Well, I can open it a little bit, but you can wear it like this. So pretty versatile, you know. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this pant set. Fashion Nova's just gonna take all my money. Like, oh my gosh, I love this. Yes. With all this excitement, I forgot to tell y'all I got this in a size small. Oh my goodness, I'm just in love with this suit. Like, okay y'all, I can't take this pant set off because I love it so much. It's so cute. Like, I'm just loving it. Like, well, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, get y'all some Fashion Nova jeans, the beautiful pant set. Like, get it with Fashion Nova, because they got you, okay? Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and become a part of the Rozae fam, okay? And comment down below y'all favorite jeans, okay? Which one? The black, the color block with the gray, or the blue? And let me know if y'all think this pant set is fire, because I think this is fire. I love the color, everything. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.